Well, first and foremost, even nung umpisa ng kampanya, sinasabi ko na si Governor Espino is a personal friend. At even nung panahon na hindi pa ako officially kandidato ng Liberal Party, sinasabi ko na kaibigan ko siya. And until today, I still consider him my friend, di ba? Marami naman po kami pinagsamahan at hindi ko naman po nakakalimutan yon. Nagkataon lang na magkaiba yung partido namin, so naglaban kami. But definitely, sabi ko, para sa akin, open kami doon sa tinatawag ko natin reconciliation. But allow me to qualify it. Siyempre, alam nyo, there were issues that were raised during the campaign. At para sa akin, yung reconciliation natin sa tama at tuwid na daan. Para malinaw naman yung batayan ng ating pagsasama, di ba? Kasi yung personal friendship, okay yun. But, you know, there's still the governance level, di ba? And I still have a political party kahit natalo po ako sa eleksyon. May partido pa ako. So, of course, tutulong kami dito po sa Pangasinan in any manner by which we can help. And by the way, siyempre, let me also congratulate the governor for his victory dito po sa eleksyon na to.